Hey, that was probably super loud. What's up? We are here to do another session of Mini Madness. I'm pumped because we are getting close on this, you guys. We're getting close to finishing it. And yeah, I'm just so excited. I can't wait to see how much this binder is going to save me. Yes, so we're going to get going. I have $40 here. This is from, I actually got a little bit of money from Amazon. This was for some of my book sales a few months ago. I believe it's like 2 or 3 months behind. So, I don't know exactly what month this payout is even for, but it's from Amazon. So $40 of it is going towards this, and then the rest was just a little bit, I don't know, maybe 30 or so, it's just going to go towards my Amazon credit card to pay for some Etsy supplies that are still on there. So that is the situation. Is this money going to help us? Like, is this money going to finish this binder out? No, probably not, but it's going to get us darn close, and I am just here for it. So if you are new to Mini Madness, this binder is available in my Etsy shop. You can go grab it. I also have a junk food one as well that's like the same style, but junk food instead of sweets. And what I do is I roll a 10-sided die. There are 10 challenges in the book, and the die will tell me which challenge to do. Now, some of these are complete, so if I get, one that's complete, I will just roll again. $40. Let's go ahead and count it really quick. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 2, 4, 6, 8, 30, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 40. And this $40 is what I'm actually going to put into the envelope so that I don't have to put all of this in the envelope. Last time I did this, I tried the calculator and I ended up forgetting if I, subtracted off the calculator or not. So I'm going back to this method. It's just easier for me, and so that's what I'm going to do. So we're going to put the money here. We're going to just go ahead and get started. Let me grab my scratcher out and let's do it. So first roll is a 3. And so we're going to the gummy bears here. All right, you guys, house updates. There's not much in the way of an update, but today is July 1st, and we close on July 10th, you guys. I can't even believe it. I guess we're buying a house or something. It's just crazy to me. It's absolutely crazy. Let's see, number 4. Okay, we got cupcakes. So yeah, right now, let's see, I can't multitask, so I'm trying to scratch and think, and $5, 2, 4, and 5. I have to have my mother fill out a gift letter, because as I told you all, she is loaning me $10,000. I am extremely grateful for that and lucky. All right, 5 is complete, so we're going to roll again. Back to 4. So she has to fill out a gift letter just kind of with her bank account information. I also will need, to make a copy of the check that she writes me. These banks are serious. They want documentation for all of the money. They want to know where all the money is coming from. So she has to fill that letter out. It's just a 1 page. It's really easy. There's no, detailed information or anything. So she has to fill that out, and then she's going to write me the check probably within the next couple days. We finished this one, you guys. Yes. I will then need to deposit the check. I'm assuming the check is probably going to take a few days to clear in my bank because, $10,000, that's a large amount. Once we're ready to close, what I need to do is get a certified check from the bank is what I'm told. So, I don't know anything about that. I'm just going to go to the bank and ask for it. So basically my husband has to give me his half of the money so I can deposit it. And then, I have to get a certified check from the bank. All right, 5, I believe, is finished. Yes. 8. So that's where we're at. Okay, 8 is finished as well. We're just, we're just almost there, you guys. It's 9 days. 9 days away. I can't even believe it. All right, this one is macarons or marshmallows, and I got a macaron, which I designated as $2 here. So $2 for that one. All right, let's see, number 7 again. What else? I don't know. So right now it's just, you know, like I said, depositing the money. And I guess that's about it. I mean, yeah, I don't even know what to say. $3 for the marshmallow, 2 and 3. 2. What's been going on with you? I have no idea when this video is going to air because I do have kind of a lot of videos lined up. I have my vacation recaps and things like that that are going to air before this. This is going to finish this one for us, you guys. Yay! $1. So, you know, it might be a bit before this airs. In fact, this might even air way closer to our closing date. So exciting. And the second I can, I will, of course, you know, come bring you guys into the house and show you and everything like that. All right, number 9. Number 9 is done. Let's just go ahead and see what we have left because there's no use in rolling if we don't have many left. So we have 3, 6, 7, and I think 10. Yeah. So you know what? Why don't we just go ahead and go in order and just finish these, you guys? I don't know if we're going to be able to finish the binder, but wouldn't that be awesome if we were able to? Ah! You guys, something super exciting. I just submitted another Amazon book. I love it. I love how it turned out. I think it's something a little bit different, so I hope you guys are going to like it. I absolutely love how it turned out. And so what happens when you submit a book for publishing, it takes a few days usually to get reviewed and published. And then 2, 4, and 5. And then it's on there available for people to buy. But I always like to buy a couple copies for myself to have. And they take a while to ship to me. So, all right, let's just color in these 2 3s and call this one done. So once my order let me try to speak. Once my book actually gets published on there, then I can go in and order copies. And then, like I said, they take a while to ship. So I will go ahead and order the copies once my book gets approved, and then after I receive the copies, that's usually when I make the walkthrough video and let you all know that it's, you know, been released and published and everything like that. So, all right, $6 here, 2, 4, and 6. Okay, moving on to number 7 here. So there will be a book coming, and I do have an idea for another book. I've had the idea for a while. I just need to actually work on it. So that's something. And then I do want to make, I want to have an Etsy launch as well. So I have nothing made for that yet. It will definitely be a while, $2 for this one. But I do want to have one you know, in July. I also need to make the July member exclusive. I already know what I want to do for that. I just need to design and create that. So I am a busy little beaver over here. And another $2 to finish this one out. Oh my gosh, you guys, can we finish this? I don't know. We're going to be close. I'm guessing probably not with this amount of money, but it's literally going to be like only a few dollars we need. All right, $4. Oh my god, it is down to the wire. 2, 3, and 4. Let's go here. Ooh, ouch. $6. That is, I believe $6 is the highest number under any scratch off in this binder, and I don't think I have it. 3. Okay, so I have an IOU of $3. Boo. All right, here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna put $3 here on this IOU, and then next time we're gonna finish this out. Man, I really want to finish this now. But you know what? It's gonna wait, and it's fine. I waited this long. I'm gonna pop that on there. we are done with every other page, you guys. I am so excited. Now, there is this back page where you can, you know, write as you finish the challenges. You can write like how much you saved in each. I didn't bother doing that, honestly. But you know, that's something you can do if you want. So let's go ahead and add the $40 in and see what we have. 100, 20, 40, 60, 80, 200, 250, 65, 67, 68. 268. Now, I did say that this was going to go towards, I believe, the 1K challenge, which was going to go towards paying my husband back, but I am not using that challenge to pay him back anymore because, you guys, I'm only down to $400 and some that I owe him. So this probably will go towards paying him back, just not towards the 1K challenge like I originally thought. This is going to be pretty much half of what I owe him, and yes, I am here for it. All right, that is it, my friends. I hope you enjoyed this short and sweet mini madness. Next time, we are definitely finishing this baby, and then it'll be time to decide what to do next. Maybe I'll even finish this in like my regular savings challenge stuffing or something, because I know I'm not going to need $30, $40. I'm just going to need whatever is under here. Probably 20 or less, I would guess. So that's it. All right, you guys, thanks again for watching. I love you so much. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.